Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. All right, you've seen the damn title of the video, but let me say it again. Yes, I have made $232 and some change taking online paid surveys. All right, so if you was wondering, can you really make money, like real money, online taking surveys? The answer is yes. So what is the company that I use to make this amount of money? The name of the site is Paid Viewpoint. All right, Paid Viewpoint. I have earned a total of $232, I believe 69 cents. You can check out the screenshot for yourself. But here's the thing about this money. All right, this is an actual total amount that I made from Paid Viewpoint ever since being a member, and I've been a member of Paid Viewpoint for several years. All right, so you know, bear bad news. Yes, you can make money, you know, with paid surveys and even Paid Viewpoint, but you're not gonna make a lot of money overall. But if you do decide to join like Paid Viewpoint and other programs like this, if you sit back and you just take these short surveys, right, and just don't touch your account, yeah, the money actually will add up. But keep in mind, you might just want to do this and tell yourself, you know what, I'm gonna check my account in about 2-3 years and see where I'm at, all right? Because it's gonna take a while to earn that kind of money. And the secret, I'm gonna keep it all the way real. The secret to even boosting up your earnings, especially with Paid Viewpoint, is by referring other people to Paid Viewpoint, because you earn a certain percentage of everything that they make with the company. So I highly suggest, if you're trying to earn some extra cash with Paid Viewpoint, right, make sure that you figure out a way to refer other people, whether it be on Facebook. Every time you take a survey and make a little bit of money, post it on there and say, hey, I just made some money with Paid Viewpoint. If you want to do the same, check out this link and put your referral link in the comments or whatever. You could even do little TikTok videos talking about how you just earned some money taking surveys, Facebook Reels, YouTube, all that stuff, right? So that will you probably actually make more money referring people than you actually will taking the surveys, all right? So yeah, you can make money online taking surveys, but like I've said in several other videos, you're not going to be making a lot. Now, if you want to check on an opportunity that I am a part of and loving right now, and you can actually earn up to a little over $2,000 a month without having to recruit or sell anything, you want to check out the first link in the description of this video and get started, because this is dope.